Morning, everyone. It's 8:55, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 444, and if you like the work, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so there's not an overwhelming amount of news here this morning. There's the issue of the 2.2 trillion new proposal for COVID relief. And of course, there's tonight's debate between Trump and Biden. So, nothing overwhelming here. Asia was mixed to a little lower. Europe was lower on both Brexit stuff and just a general down move here. The U.S. had a couple of serious hacks yesterday. This is just a continuing trend, and I'm actually pretty surprised that a lot of the cybersecurity stocks aren't acting even better. U.S. hospital systems had a hack with malware. They say that nothing was uh, compromised as far as patient information. There was also a hack at somebody that I really would not be expecting. Microsoft had a hack of its Office 365 as well as Azure, also saying that there's no issue there. Okay, LVMH filed counterclaim to Tiffany. It's a very strange situation, and it's clearly going to play out in the courts. Okay, earnings. United Natural Foods, symbol UNFI, had a beat, both top and bottom line, but this maker of done foods for delivery is trading 18 and a half, which is down 68 cents. Japan's NTT is buying a $40 billion buying for $40 billion a wireless division. Advanced trade goods came out a few minutes ago, and this is a trade deficit that increased to 82.9 billion, which is the biggest ever. They've been keeping that only since 1989, but it's still an impressive number, and it was up from its 80.1 billion last month. Wholesale inventories came in at up 0.5%, which is not particularly overwhelming, and retail inventories were up 0.9% versus an expectation of 0.6%. There are a couple of crazy ones, as usual. A company called Aptorum. I have no idea what their product actually is, but they say it's for liquid biopsies. Symbol is APM. The stock closed yesterday at $1.31 and has traded $29.60 and all the way back to $8.65, which is still up $7.45 or 625%. Houston Energy has absolutely no news on it. It closed yesterday at $1.09, has traded as high as $4.50, and is currently trading $3.30, up $2.21, or just over 200%. The opening versus futures shows the Dow down literally just $4. I've seen it up, I've seen it down. By the time I'm done with this, it'll probably be up 20. NASDAQ is up 9 and the S&P is up 1. Okay, so the chart on the screen is the dollar, and as you can see, it's a little bit lower again, but still, I wouldn't be concerned unless it closed below, I think I mentioned it last night, 93.65, 90 in that area. And we also, overnight, or looking at it day by day, we had the 20-day going up through the 50-day, which is bullish, especially since the 5-day has moved up through both of those. Again, wouldn't bother me to see it at 93.75 as long as it holds there, and it looks to me like it's going to test 95 to 95 and a half on this move. The gold is basically unchanged. Oil is down 22. Gold is up $4. The silver, which we are actually in on the second half of a 100% up rule liquidation of half, is higher. Just for those who haven't seen it, it bounced off this 100-day moving average, closing on the high. 1 day of rest, another high. 1 day where, so far we're up in the neighborhood of 32 cents. We were up higher, but again, I think we could use some sideways action, and as long as we don't break this close around the 23.20, I'm satisfied to hold it. All right, everyone, there you go. And as I suspected, the Dow is now up 20. The S&P is up about 30, and pardon me, the S&P is up 3. The NASDAQ is up 30. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back tonight, and hit that subscribe.